Title and copyright. Springer Nature. Reference. Olaf Zawadzki Richter, In-Sung Jung, Editors. Handbook of Open, Distance and Digital Education. Open Access. Springer. Handbook of Open, Distance and Digital Education. Olaf Zawadzki Richter, In-Sung Jung, Editors. Handbook of Open, Distance and Digital Education. With 82 figures and 48 tables. Springer. Editors. Olaf Zawadzki Richter, Center of Open Education Research. Karl von Ossietzky University of Oldenburg, Oldenburg, Niedersachsen, Germany. In-Sung Jung, Education Research Institute, Seoul National University, Seoul, Republic of Korea. ISBN 978-981-19-2079-0. ISBN 978-981-19-2080-6, ebook. https://doi.org/10.1007/978-981-19-2080-6. This work was supported by German Federal Ministry of Education and Research, 16 DHB 2129. This work was supported by the University of Oldenburg, no grant ID. This work was supported by Brigham Young University, no grant ID. This work was supported by Japan Society for the Promotion of Science, 19 KO 2983. This work was supported by the International Christian University, no grant ID. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2023. This book is an open access publication. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License, http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/, which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source, provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors, and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Singapore Private Limited. The registered company address is 152 Beach Road, number 21201, 04 Gateway East, Singapore 189721, Singapore.